Okay, this is really cool. Game changer for Chat GPT. Go to Google and instead of www, type in Bard and see what comes up. Look, it's another AI interface. It's very similar to Chat GPT, only this one's better. It's in real time. Well, near real time. It's actually up to date with 2023 data. It is able to pull current events that are recent, and it can crawl the web. All these things OpenAI cannot currently do. Their AI is based on roughly 2021 at earliest. And yeah, that's like at least 2 years old, maybe more. So let's give her a go. Type in some current event like, why did Biden shoot down that balloon? And that's fairly recent. I mean, maybe it was not 2023, but close enough. Oh, it was February. And there you go. It knows the news, and it can comment on the news. You can comment on the status of the Ukraine war. Will Putin win the war in 2023? And it'll have a comment on that. It's actually pulling current events and current data and news. This is a game changer. I am going to put OpenAI to the side, and all I'm going to use now is bard.google.com. So check it out and comment with any of your ideas on good queries to test on the Bard.